I was taking a video of you. I was taking a video of you. It's literally a prison bed.
Yeah, appreciate it when you have one now, right?
No one's, yeah, kind right? I think she's iFood?
I the same. I tried the reimbursement.
They're cute.
I want to borrow it, but you need to take it back.
I don't look small, Mama.
Oh my gosh, Rachel, is this going to work?
Check if you feel nice. If you're warm. You called just in time.
What are you guys doing?
I just ordered dessert. I ordered dessert. I ordered a brownie. Here's the brownie. I want the brownie.
Nice.
I ordered Okay, chocolate cake. Then a strawberry shake. Oh, your hair looks pretty today.
Where's my mother?
I'm working. What happened?
So you don't want to see me? I'm asking you for the cake.
I said stop showing me food.
How is that my fault?
Mommy,
Huh?
are you there?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Oh my god.
Yes, Lorly. I'm trying to get some work done. Great, hear me, Gretchen. Lorly,
I really can't deal with this internet.
I really can't see you.
Stop.
I can't see your face, Lorly, because the internet is blurry. Lorly, you're showing me, but the internet is not good, so I'm not seeing you. That's what I'm telling you.
Just
But it's like your camera stand.
Yes.
I have those, I have these.
I took my mom to London to make sure that she got to her flight on time, or she got safe, because it was her first time in London, but it was my first time like booking a coach, and I didn't realize that the time was not 3 p.m. It was 3 a.m. that we needed to take it. I was stressed out that we missed our coach. I ended up having to book a train, and it was just a very stressful process because it was my first time actually taking a train on my own, but we got safely, and that's all that mattered. I took my mom to the airport, and it was her time to leave me. I had to figure out on my own now how to get back to Nottingham, and it was my first time taking the tube. It was a learning experience, but as soon as I got home, I bought myself some Taco Bell, and this is the start to my uni life.
They came from Brazil.